Ever had money sitting in your Venmo account and needed to get it out, but you don't have a debit card to do an instant transfer? What do you do then? Don't worry, you're not out of luck. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can withdraw your Venmo money without needing a card. Let's get into it. The most common way to get your money out of Venmo without a card is to do a standard bank transfer. This is the classic method, and the best part is, it's completely free. All you need is a linked bank account. To get started, open the Venmo app, go to your Me tab, which is usually your profile picture, and then tap Transfer or Manage under your balance. From there, you'll see an option to transfer money to your bank account. Make sure you select the standard transfer option, which is free. Venmo sends the money to your bank via the Automated Clearinghouse, or ACH, and it typically takes 1 to 3 business days to arrive. Just a heads up, weekends and holidays don't count, so keep that in mind. Now, what if you have a Venmo balance, but you don't have a bank account linked at all? This can be a bit trickier, but there are a couple of ways you can still get your cash. One option is to use a Venmo debit card. You can apply for this card directly through the app. Once you have it, it's linked directly to your Venmo balance, allowing you to withdraw cash at any ATM that accepts MasterCard. It essentially acts as your bridge to your cash, even without a traditional bank account. Another way is to send the money to a trusted friend or family member who has a linked bank account. You can send them the money on Venmo, and then they can withdraw the cash for you. This is a great solution in a pinch, but remember, only do this with someone you completely trust. So there you have it. Whether you're using a standard bank transfer or getting creative with a debit card or a friend, you can still access your money from Venmo. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.